Top 5 free project management softwares. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the top 5 free project management tools. So let's get into it. Now, first up on our list, we have Monday.com. Now, on the Monday.com free plan, you can only have 2 seats. So if you're looking for collaborative work, it can be a bit difficult to accomplish that on Monday.com. However, you can invite guests to your workspace. Now, with the free plan on Monday.com, you can create upwards of 3 boards on one particular workspace, and then you have unlimited documents you can add, choices from over 200 templates, 8 types of columns, and 2 members that you can add, plus you have Android and iOS applications to take your work on the go. Now, if we take a look at some of the more detailed features, you'll also have file storage of upwards of 500 megabytes. You can create upwards of 1,000 items. And in terms of collaborative features, you have whiteboard collaboration, update sections, and embedded documents that you can add into every task. Plus, if you take a look at views and reporting, you can get 1 board per dashboard. So you can get a dashboard of one particular board, which is going to show you the summary of the entire board. On the free plan on Monday.com, you also get access to Kanban views alongside your basic list views. However, timeline, calendar, map, and all other types of views are limited on the free plan. Now, if you take a look at some other security features, those are pretty standard, and you have some enterprise features which are not included. Now, second up on our list, we're going to do a quick price comparison, and then I'll get into how these platforms really function in day-to-day use. But second up on our list, we have Trello. So Trello allows you to create unlimited cards. So you can have more than 1,000 cards, which is a limit on Monday. Then you can also create upwards of 10 boards per workspace. And if you compare that to Monday, as you guys can see, you can only create 3 boards. So these kinds of little items actually do end up adding up to a lot of difference in your day-to-day use, especially if you're doing this for a larger business instead of just doing it for one individual project. Now, you also have unlimited power-ups per board, so you can add as many automations you want. Then you also have storage as well as 250 workspace command runs per month, which are your automations as well as some integrations. Then you also have some custom backgrounds, unlimited activity logs, assignees and due dates, and the basic security features. Now, next up on our list, we have ClickUp. So ClickUp also has a free plan, which is probably one of their most popular plans out there, simply because of how unlimited the features seem to be on ClickUp. First off, on ClickUp, I think this is the only free plan that is going to get you Kanban views, sprint management, calendar views, as well as custom field manager. Now, these types of tools are usually, providing these features on their paid plans. However, ClickUp provides you all of that for free, as well as a everything view, a real-time chart, whiteboards, and collaborative documentation. Plus, you have the unlimited free plan members, so there's no limitation on the number of people that can join you in a workspace in ClickUp. So as many people as there might be working in your team or on your project can be added to your ClickUp board. Plus, you also have unlimited number of tasks that you can add, and ClickUp has recently also announced their AI that can help you in working faster. Now, moving on to Asana. Asana is also another super popular tool that can help you in managing your work, and they also have their free plan where you have unlimited essentials such as project tasks, activity logs, storage, and comments. Plus, you have 3 project views, which is the list, board, and calendar view. Then you have basic workflows as well as basic reporting included. And then last up on our list, we have Wrike. So Wrike's free plan includes the basic application, a basic project and task manager. They also have AI content generation, board views, and table views. However, active task limitations also do apply on Wrike, and there are no automations or integrations available on the free plan of Wrike. So just taking a brief look at these pricing plans, you understand some of the key differences. However, these key differences can be very different in terms of their use case, because for some people, not having a integrated feature is fine because they don't need those features. However, for some people, it might be a game breaker. So if we take a look at some of the most highlighted and asked about tools, which is usually automation features, because people need to make their work as quick as possible. So in ClickUp, you have time tracking as well as 50 native integrations available for free. You can also always use Zapier for free on ClickUp to be able to automate a lot of your tasks. And you also have other features such as their basic workflow builders. Now, the same applies on Monday, but if you take a look at Monday's pricing, all of that is only provided in their standard plan. No automations or integrations are provided in the basic plan. Now, for some people, they might ask, okay, so why is Monday.com even on this list? Well, Monday.com is highly customizable. If you want a lot of customization, a lot of info displayed within your workspace and your project, Monday.com is a great option for people like that. Monday.com is even able to create columns in terms of formulas, checkboxes, priorities, labels, timelines, as well as connected boards, people, numbers. So the customization on Monday.com is far greater than it is on any other platform. But if you're looking for something that is super simple and effective in delivering with your project, Trello is a great tool that can help you in building your basic board. So on Trello, you don't have to worry about a lot of different difficult items. You just have to stay on track with your basic stuff. And the customization on Trello is not as high as some of the other tools. However, the fact that it has free automations can be super helpful in making sure all of your work is done quickly. So you can go into the automation section, click on rules, and start building your rules on your boards to be able to schedule your work timely. You have scheduling automations, duty automations, card buttons, as well as board buttons as well. Now, comparing that to ClickUp, ClickUp also allows you to do automations for free. And if you click on automations, ClickUp has a wide variety of pre-existing templates that you can choose from, as well as integrated features available. So if you want to add a particular application to your board, you can easily do that as well. So if you have a pre-existing tool that you might be using, you can always integrate those onto ClickUp. And you also have recording, reminder, and time tracking features, which you're not going to find on any other tool. Now, moving on to the appeal of Asana. Asana is for the business that needs a very standardized format. Asana has a very simple format with a workspace as well as basic project views, board views, and your basic calendar view. Then you can add as many members as you want on Asana and customize the overall fields, plus multiple different types of fields that you can add to further categorize your items. So you can add a different priority or create a different field onto your basic stuff. However, the customization on Asana is super limited, so there is no chance of anyone messing your boards up as there is on Monday or ClickUp. Now, lastly on our list, we have Wrike. Now, Wrike offers you the balance that Asana and, Trello, a balance between being customizable and being simple to use. It's pretty simple, and you can start building tasks, subtasks, and workable items within your task and provide loads of detail within your items. So I would recommend using any of these tools. All of these are great. My personal preferences would be to go for ClickUp or Trello or Monday, simply because of the use cases that they might have. For a business that is looking for something simple, Trello is definitely the option. Trello or Wrike are the better options for you. However, if you're looking for something more feature heavy, then ClickUp is the best option for those businesses. However, if you're looking for a simple project manager where you don't need automations, however, you need a lot of detail, then Monday.com is the better option for those specific projects. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and I will catch you guys in the next video.